Alright guys, we have a Whirlpool refrigerator, and this one has a start device and it is failing. It has not failed yet, but the fridge is acting weird. It might not be cooling properly, and if you're not careful, you might not even catch it. So here's a video, take a listen. So that's the start device, and it's checked out fine. And you want to check for voltage here. If you had a unit that had a control board, you definitely want to make sure that you're getting a constant 120 volts. Now, 123, 125, it varies. So just make sure you're getting 120, even 110 is totally fine. And once you verify that for a minute or so, then you can move forward to replace the start relay, and you should be good to go. Now your fridge, the temperature, it just depends on the failure of the start relay. It might be, it's cooling and then it stopped and then it starts again. So it will depends. If your temperature is not where it should be, then definitely take a look at the start relay. And usually 6, 7 years, 8 years, they're pretty much done anyways. So just a quick video to kind of help you to decipher and break it down, because especially if you take the start device off and you test it, you're getting continuity, you're going to assume that it's good. But no, once they get power and the resistance of the compressor kicks in, then they lose contact and they start to go offline and the compressor does not start. Sometimes they will, here we go now. Yep, unit is up and running nice and strong. Make sure your fan is also running while you're there. And that should be it. Thanks for watching.